Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get to the recipe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this recipe. And this evening we're going to be making some skillet steaks. Now you're just going to take a couple of strip steaks like I have here. They're about 1 inch thick, and we're going to make a dry rub. Now I will post all the ingredients and the exact measurements under the video. That way you'll have those to make this at home. But basically you're going to have some red pepper. You're going to have regular salt and pepper. You have paprika, and you're going to have some garlic powder. We're going to use some oil to put in our skillet and some butter to also put in there. So let's go ahead and make our rub. Just going to basically put it all in this bowl, and you're going to combine it, and then we're just going to pour it over and rub it into the steak. Now another thing you want to do is you want to leave your meat set out on your counter for about 45 minutes in room temperature before you start cooking these. Now I am using a cast iron skillet this evening, and you want to go ahead and get that heated on high while you're doing this, because you want the skillet to be hot before we put the oil in. All right, let's go ahead and get our rub on these steaks. I'm just going to kind of pour it over, and then you're just going to want to rub it in good. And we're going to do it on both sides. And now we like our steaks like a medium, so you're not going to have to cook these real long on that high heat. All right, go ahead and do this side, and we're going to take these over to our skillet, and we're going to start cooking these steaks up. Okay, y'all, as you can see, we've got our heat on high, and it is already shimmery, so we're going to go ahead and add our steaks in. Now the trick to this is going to be to flip these every 30 seconds. And we're going to do that for 4 minutes. And then after the 4-minute mark, we're going to put the butter in, and we're going to continue it for another minute, flipping them every 30 seconds. And that's going to put a nice sear on this meat. As you can see, it's already getting a nice crust. And if we continue to do this, it'll keep cooking. And this is, we like ours medium, and so that's how they're going to be. So it's going to be about 5 minutes total cooking time. So when we come back, we'll show you how they look. Okay. All right, as you can see, we've just about got our steaks done. We've put our butter in, and they're looking delicious. This is what we're having for our dinner this evening. I hope that y'all will enjoy this recipe and like my channel. And y'all have a great evening. Thanks for watching.